D&D listed door closer, which passed 3 hours fire rating test, aluminum alloy material, power arm, non-hold open and backtrack function, adjustable closing and latching speed, standard top jump, push side installation, silver finish, brown finish, white finish, black finish, and other finishes are available. We can also provide different styles of door closers, such as concealed door closer, spring door closer, sliding door closer, etc., suitable for wooden doors, metal doors, and fire doors. 13 years experience working with famous brand. 400T German automatic die casting equipment. 500,000 times live test. Product fully automated production, high quality and durable. Can be used in education, healthcare, hospitality, government and office facilities, etc. D&D is your one-stop partner in the door hardware industry. Contact us now.